Welcome to Crumbs from Gerard. The topic today is, does reward have a place in Christian life? The reading is from Matthew chapter 6 verses 1 to 18. I'm taking just the first verse. Beware of practicing your piety before others in order to be seen by them, for then you would have no reward from your Father in heaven. The reading that we just had is right in the center of the Sermon on the Mount. Half a chapter is focused on this aspect of reward or no reward. So does reward have a place in Christian life? The answer is depending on your attitude. If you have the wrong attitude, then no. If you have the right attitude, then yes, because Jesus mentions it thrice in this reading that you will get your reward. So what is the wrong attitude? The wrong attitude, the focus is myself and what can I get? And what can I get is the reward. You're working for the reward, the praise of people. You're working for something material that you can get, or maybe even for a spiritual thing that you can get. I will do this, Lord, if I get this. And what happens when you don't get all these? You stop doing what you are doing. So this is the wrong attitude. The right attitude, the focus is not myself. The focus is the other. The focus is not what can I get, but what can I give. And the reward is a byproduct. The reward is the joy that you see in the job well done. The joy that you see on the faces of those you have helped. The joy that you see in the Master's eyes, the Lord Himself. The peace that you have in your heart and a good night rest. What happens when you don't get praise? What happens when people take you for granted? What happens when even after doing your best they insult you? You will carry on doing what you are doing because your attitude is not what I can get, but what I can give. The reward is a byproduct of a job well done. And so for your minute meditation, pray right now for this grace, for the right attitude in doing what I do.